Level 4, Unit 12, subtracting 0 to 12 from numbers up to 25. Unit 12.1, we're going to subtract 0 to 8 from numbers up to 18. Example A, 16 minus 0 equals what? Well, if we're not taking anything away from 16, that means our answer is going to be 16. Example B, what number minus 8 equals 10? Well, since if we look at our answer, we have a tens and a ones unit. We only have a ones unit here, so that means that that one that's in our answer is going to also be in our beginning number. So basically we're asking ourselves, what number minus 8 equals 0? Well, we know that 8 minus 8 equals 0, so therefore our starting number is 18. Unit 12.2, subtracting 1 to 9 from numbers up to 20. Example A, 18 minus 1. You take 1 away from the 8, you get a 7. So our answer is 17. Example B, 20 minus what number equals 13? You could count backwards here if you wanted, but I think we're more comfortable with counting forward. So let's start with our 13 and see what we would have to add to equal 20 using our tally marks. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. We have 7 tally marks, which means we are subtracting 7 to equal 13. Unit 12.3, subtracting 2 to 10 from numbers up to 22. Let's look at example A. What number minus 2 equals 18? Well, we know that the number has to be larger. Of course, if we're ending with 18, it's going to be larger than 18. So let's work backwards and add. 18, 19, 20 is our starting number. Example B, 21 minus 6. If we look at our ones position, you can't take 6 from 1. So here's a situation where we have to borrow. So we're going to come to the 2, cross it out, make that a 1. We're going to take that borrowed 1 and we're going to apply it to the ones position. Now we have 11 minus 6, which is 5. And then we carry over the 1 from the tens position for an answer of 15. Unit 12.4, subtracting 3 to 11 from numbers up to 24. Let's look at example A. 24 minus 3. If we first subtract our ones column, 4 minus 3 is 1. We only have one number in the tens column, so we bring it over for an answer of 21. Example B. What number are we subtracting to get from 22 to 17? Well, let's go ahead and count backwards on this one since we counted forwards on the other one. So we have 21, 20, 19, 18, 17. That means we are subtracting 5. Unit 12.5, subtracting 0 to 12 from numbers up to 25. Example A, 23 minus 12. Let's first take a look at our ones position. We have 3 minus 2. That gives us 1. We now have 2 numbers in our tens position. So 2 minus 1 is 1 for an answer of 11. Example B. What number are we subtracting 11 from to give us 14? Let's work backwards on this one because we know if we take our answer plus the number we have, that's going to give us our starting number. So let's look at the ones. 4 plus 1 is 5. 1 plus 1 is 2. So we started with 25.